Imagine this. You're sipping coffee at your favorite cafe, connected to free Wi-Fi, and without realizing it, a hacker already knows your passwords, your emails, and maybe even your credit card details. Scary, right? Today, I'll show you the exact methods hackers use to steal your data and, most importantly, how you can stop them before it's too late. Hackers don't always look like the stereotypical geniuses in dark rooms typing away. In reality, they often use very simple but powerful tricks. One of the most common is phishing emails. These are fake messages that look exactly like they're from your bank, your workplace, or even your favorite online store. The design looks real, the logo looks perfect, and the message feels urgent. You click the link, type your login details, and just like that, the hacker has full access to your account. Another method is public Wi-Fi hacking. That free Wi-Fi at coffee shops, airports, or hotels may feel convenient, but it's also a goldmine for hackers. They can easily intercept the data you send, including usernames, passwords, and even credit card numbers. What feels like free internet could cost you your personal security. Then, there are data breaches. Even big companies with huge security budgets get hacked. When that happens, millions of emails, passwords, and even personal details are dumped onto the dark web for sale. If you've ever reused the same password across different accounts, one breach can open the door to all of them. And let's not forget, malware, and sometimes, it's a file you accidentally downloaded, or a program that looked harmless. It hides in your device, recording your keystrokes, tracking the websites you visit, and silently sending all that information back to hackers. You won't even know it's there until it's too late. But here's the good news, you can fight back. The first step is to use strong, unique passwords for every single account. Never reuse the same password across websites. If one gets exposed, the rest stay safe. Password managers can help you create and remember complex passwords without the stress. Next, enable two-factor authentication on all important accounts. This extra step, like a code sent to your phone, makes it nearly impossible for hackers to log in. Even if they somehow got your password, be extremely cautious when using public Wi-Fi. If you must connect, use a VPN to encrypt your traffic. Even better, use your mobile hotspot whenever possible. Keep your devices updated. Those software updates you keep delaying, they often contain critical security patches. Ignoring them gives hackers an easy way in. And finally, check if your data has already been exposed. Go to websites like Have I Been Pwned and type your email address. If your details show up in a breach, change your passwords immediately. Hackers are evolving every single day, but so can you. Protecting your data isn't about being a tech genius, it's about taking small, smart steps that keep you one step ahead. So before you go, do me a favor. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tutorials. Stay safe online, and remember, the best defense against hackers is awareness.